A tap timer is the perfect accessory for any sprinkler or irrigation system you have set up in your backyard. It not only automatically waters the garden to your personalised schedule, but it takes the worry out of watering if you lead a busy life or go away on holidays, ensuring your plants stay well hydrated all year round. A tap timer not only makes watering even easier, it also helps to save water. I'm sure we've all been guilty of leaving the sprinkler on for too long. With a timer installed, watering is worry-free. To get started with your Hoselink Automatic Tap Timer, first insert two AA batteries by lifting the cover on the back of the unit. When you replace the cover, ensure you push down firmly until it's flush with the casing, creating a watertight seal. The screen will now be on. It's worth noting that the screen automatically turns off when not in use to prolong the battery life. So if the screen is blank, just press any button to reactivate. You can now program your timer. To configure your watering schedule, press the Setup button. You will first be prompted to set the current time. You can adjust this using the plus and minus buttons and press Setup to confirm. Next, choose your desired watering start time using the same buttons. Now select how long you want to water for. This ranges from 1 second to 300 minutes. Use the plus and minus buttons to go up and down through the time ranges before pressing the Setup button to confirm. Finally, choose how often you want to water the garden. You can opt from every hour to every 15 days. When you're happy, press Setup. That's it, you're all set. Now you can attach the timer to your tap. The timer comes with both a 3/4 inch and a 1 inch thread to fit any standard Australian outdoor tap. If you require a 1 inch thread, simply screw the extra tap piece into the top of the timer like so, or remove it to reduce the thread size. You'll see the tap connection has a filter inserted inside to catch any debris. This will help keep the timer working efficiently. Once you have selected the correct size thread, screw onto your garden tap. It's important to screw the timer on tightly, like this, to ensure a leak-free connection. You can now connect your hose to the bottom of the timer using a Hoselink Universal Tap Connector. Simply screw it on, then point and twist to connect the hose. Attach your chosen sprinkler or connect to an irrigation system. The timer is now ready to go. You can check when the next watering cycle is due to begin by looking at the next irrigation box at the bottom right of the screen. If rain is forecast or it begins to rain while you're home, you can cancel your next watering cycle by hitting the rain delay button. Push this button once and you'll see a rain cloud icon flashing in the next irrigation box on screen. This shows it has been activated and will now skip the next watering cycle. To cancel the rain delay function, press the button again and the timer will revert back to your original watering setup. If it's a particularly hot day and you'd like to manually water your garden to give it a top up, you can press manual, then use the plus and minus buttons to select how long you'd like to manually water for. If you finish watering before the time is up, simply press the manual button again to cancel the setting. Your normal watering schedule will resume. To turn the timer off, press and hold the off button for 3 seconds until off shows up on the screen. To reactivate, press and hold the same button for 3 seconds until the screen comes to life. There are some other great features on the timer, like a child lock, which prevents any accidental changes to your watering schedule. Simply press and hold the rain delay button until the padlock symbol appears on screen. Press and hold again to remove it. You can also check the battery life by looking at the top left of the screen. This is especially useful to check before you go away on holiday, as you'll want to ensure the battery bar is full, so the timer doesn't fail you while you're gone.